Good day viewers, welcome to IBC News. Today we'll be talking about the dodo bird and how it relates to people of Mauritius. For more information, join our correspondent at Natural History Museum.
The Mauritius Council emblem has a dodo. On our phones, we have the dodo. These are first day covers for the tourist. Okay. On our phones, we have the dodo, ancient point. Mauritius and the world of the dodo, a report. Dodo is our friend, our extreme friend, but he is present in our daily life. You have a matchbox, you'll see the dodo. You have t-shirts, everything. We have only the sabak, you can say dodo. Everything dodo.
Whenever you think of Mauritius, what comes to mind? Thanks for staying with us. Goodbye.